across to Georgia with a dream upon my lap, and I waited for its moment, waited for the day to come back.
So it is after midnight. It's actually close to 1, and I'm in a very messy room packing for a trip that I'm taking tomorrow. It is a trip into the wilderness, and I wanted to show you what I'm going to be bringing for my trip. I'm actually going to the Linfoot Hike-In, and I'm really excited about spending some time there. I'm going by myself, so I don't have to pack everything as if I were backpacking, but I did want to basically pack as if I were going on a little bit more than a day hike. So I'll show you what's in my bag. So regardless of day hike or long hike, I always bring the same backpack, which is my Hyperlight, and I just love this even for day hikes. I just cinch everything down, and it's just super comfortable. So I'm gonna bring that, and then my trekking poles. Okay, so I have my sit pad, my trekking poles, my cook kit, my spoon, my deodorant, my pepper spray. This is my first aid kit. I have moleskin, stuff for blisters, tape in case I need it for my toes, bug stuff, natural bug stuff, my toilet kit. This is like personal, hairbrush, toothpaste. I'll put my toothbrush tomorrow. Hot hands just in case. Lighter for my cook kit. Body Glide, lotion, this little thing of Dr. Bronner's, a knife, my lip gloss, face lotion, Afterbite. This is like a CBD cream for my feet. And then this is like in kind of like an Advil that you can rub on if you have like aches and pains, just in case my IT bands go out. Okay, then I have 2 bandanas, my headlamp, ice cubes, my electronics. I will also have a battery pack that's currently being charged. I will also have my Garmin InReach Mini that will go on my backpack in case of emergency. That's being charged. Oh, this is random, doesn't need to go here. My this is my water filter that is currently being cleaned. Sorry about the dirty floor. I need to vacuum in here. This is my sleeping quilt. I don't know if I'm bringing that or not, but that's here. And then this is my food bag, and I want to show you what's in there. Okay, this is my pile of clothes besides what I'm wearing. Tomorrow I'm gonna have like something to sleep in, something to hike in that I might bring. Like, I'll probably bring 2 shirts, wear one, and then have one to wear the day that I'm not hiking. This is like a Light Heart Gear Polar Tech fleece. And then I'm bringing 2 pairs of socks. Oh, I don't know. I don't need these. But okay, I'm bringing a pair of socks, and then a pair of socks to sleep in. These are my shoes. Nike Terra Tigers are the best. And then I have these Super Feet, which I kind of think that they might be causing my knee issues. But anyway, my Bible, my journal, a pen. I will definitely not be bringing this on like a backpacking trip, but for this trip, I did want to have this with me because I'm going to have a day where I just am able to journal, read my Bible. I'm going to pack some Advil just in case I have my IT issues. And then I need to pack my CBD oil and my B12 vitamin. Yep, this is everything. It's all going in that bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack it now. Okay, so this is all the stuff that I'm bringing for a meal, and then some snacks, and this is just salt and some fuel to get me going on trail, some coffee and tea in case I want it, and then some drink stuff. And then over here, this little fancy pile, sorry, my shoes got like dirt everywhere. This company called Right on Trek that's out of Montana, I believe it's Missoula, Montana, asked if they could send me, oh yeah, here it is, made in Montana. I love Montana. They asked me if they could send me a backpacking meal to review, and I said yes, that would be great. but they sent me all of this. Like all of this. So I thought it'd be cool to take it on the trip. They sent 2 meals. One is cranberry and walnut oatmeal. So this is basically like, I think this is, it's called the Backcountry Meal Kit number 5. I'm guessing, because all of this came in this really cool like little pouch, and then it had like an L&T thing on it. Okay, so yeah, I was gonna say, I think this was like enough for one day on the trail. So it has lunch and snacks, and then a dinner, and the hot breakfast. And this is a vegetarian meal. So this is not sponsored. Besides, I did get this for free, but this is just my own opinion on what this will be like on trail, and I can't wait to try it out and let you know, because it has a lot of really cool stuff. This is like some coffee, and then some little packs. I'm not sure. That's like a sugar in the raw, which is my favorite. And I heard this Mount Hagen coffee is really good. I'm not sure what's in. Let's see what's in this little pack right here. Not really sure. What's in here? Oh, cool. It's a tea. Mango passion fruit. Squash would probably love this. Oh, yeah, I'll have to try this. It sounds amazing. But everything's vegetarian. Dehydrated mango. It looks so good. Lentil crunchers. I'm very interested in what this is. Oh, it has ranch flavor. Chipotle ranch flavor. Chex Mix, always great on trail. These look really good. And then this is super interesting. I actually haven't eaten jerky since the trail, but this is vegan jerky. So I'll be glad to try that. Some chocolate, cherries and almonds and dark chocolate. And then raisins, great trail snack. These Lara bars are really good. I think Gusher said that he loves the lemon bar, or maybe it's cherry bar. But anyway, I think I ate a lemon bar on trail, but regardless, I'm going to review it tomorrow. And then it has parm chip crisp. Okay, and then this right here, I'm really excited about trying, because I believe it was Backpacker Magazine rated this the best mac and cheese, even over Kraft mac and cheese. So it's bechamel style, so it has to be really good, vegetarian. And then I was reading the back, and it says that you can add in a spice packet for an extra kick. And one of the things I did notice is that you don't cook in this pack, which kind of surprised me. I'm gonna try to figure out. I don't think it'll be a problem, because I am bringing I'm bringing my pot, and usually this would concern me on trail, because I don't typically cook in my pot because it's hard to clean it. It's not a big deal, especially if this is really good, which I think it's gonna be. Then that's not a huge deal. And it won't be a big deal if I do have to clean in my pot, because I will be going to a place where I can clean it. But I might try to see if I can bring like a little bag that I have that I think I can cook in. So I'm really excited about this. I guess that you can't really cook it in there, because you actually boil the noodles for 3 to 5 minutes. So okay, I guess you leave, this is interesting, boil 8 ounces of water, add the noodles. It doesn't ever say that you drain the water, so I guess the water is what makes the bechamel sauce. So it's probably why it's so good. I mean, I'm going to be like a little trail chef. But yeah, this is 1 serving per container, made in Montana. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. Thank you so much to Right on Track. Oh, that's really cool. Their packaging is sustainable, bio-based. So it must be good for the environment. Feeds 1 tired, hungry explorer. Ditch freeze-dried food bags. Yeah, this looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. Awesome. Okay, everything is packed and ready to go. My little bag is ready. Actually weighed more than I expected. I would be curious at how much this weighs. I'll check it when I get to the hike in, but yep, it's not too bad. And I feel good about being ready. Okay, so it is the next day and I just got to Amicalola State Park. And did you see that on the video? There's a new visitor center here. So the visitor center that we've known for years and years, the tiny little visitor center that was so cute and quaint, has been torn down completely, and they are rebuilding a really huge, really nice visitor center. And I had heard that the arch is still here and that you can still get to it, but everything is fenced off. So I kind of want to go like investigate, because that would be sad if they tore down the arch. But anyway, I'm going to stay at the Hike Inn. I think I mentioned that last night. And I'm going to go register, but she said go to the visitor center. Obviously, I mean, this isn't even built yet, so it's not here yet. But I'm wondering if they have like a temporary visitor center set up in this little building. I think they used to register through hikers. But anyway, I'm going to go investigate, see what I can find. But I'm so glad I'm here. I thought I was going to be late, just because it was kind of a crazy morning, but I'm here a couple hours early. I'm going to have some time to take my time hiking, and I'm really looking forward to this trip. Okay, so I guess this is what it's going to look like. That's really spring of 2023. That's really nice. Wow. Okay. Very cool. Yeah, it's looking pretty good back here. Okay, I'm just kind of confused because I don't see the arch. I was told that they weren't tearing it down, so I feel confident it's there. I just don't see it. And I want to make sure it is, because I'm kind of concerned about Sobos hiking down. Like, what if they decide to do the approach trail their last day and can't even get a picture of the arch? Like, that would be so sad. I see it. I see it. Still there. Have no fear. Okay, it's really muddy. Not a good sign for the hike today, but it'll be fine. It's all part of the adventure. Oh, thank goodness. Sobos will still get to have their day at the arch. Yep, here she is. Right there. Oh, got the wrong shoes for this. Yeah, there it is. There's the construction. Wow, this is gonna be huge. And I think the old visitor center set back farther, because I don't think, like, this wasn't very big area. So that sets up much closer to the road. It's a long way to go. Are you ready? No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. This one is the one I didn't understand your physical abilities. Bear country. Apparently there's a lot of bears out this year. Here I am. I love the arch. So great. All right, well, I'm feeling excited about this new visitor center and the fact that they left the arch there. It probably needed to be updated, so that's really nice, even though I'm very sentimental, so kind of partial to the old visitor center. But anyway, oh my gosh, I think I pulled a shoulder muscle coming off climbing back up those rocks at the arch. Like, this is not a good sign for the day. I feel like I'm very out of shape, but this will be the test to see if I'm in any shape at all. I don't think I am, but I hiked it last year very out of shape, and I made it. Not very quickly, but I made it, so I think I'll make it regardless. Anyway, heading up. Okay, so the visitor center has been temporarily moved to this trailer up here. Bathrooms over there. Very cool. And then over there is the waterfall, like way back there. Linfoot Lodge. That is where I'm going. Oh, can I check in here? I might need this.
If you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns, just let me know.
Okay, I got signed in. Everything's good. She gave me a map. I'm gonna try to take the approach trail down because that little section is the only section of the approach trail I haven't hiked. So probably won't do it today just because I don't know how much longer it would take, and I'm not starting like super early, so I'll do it on the way back down when I can take all day to do it. But it was really neat being in the visitor center and hearing people ask like, how's the road to Springer Mountain and how far is it, and talk about the falls, and people experiencing this park for the first time makes my heart happy. So I think it's gonna be a great day. It's a little bit overcast. Actually, the sun's coming out, but I hope it stays cool like this. It's really nice. It's like probably 72, 73. So there's also a shower in there, which I did not know that there are showers at Amicalola that are like just public. So if you are preparing for your thru hike and are planning on staying at like the shelter here or coming straight here from the airport and starting hiking and want a shower, these bathrooms up here, besides it's like close to the pavilion where you're gonna get your bag weighed, check in, meet a ridge runner, all of that. Behind there, there are showers, bathrooms with showers. So I thought that those bathrooms were pretty nice and a lot nicer than the ones at the Knock. And I was laughing because some ladies came in and they're like, ew, it stinks in here. It's like so gross. And I was like, that's funny. I thought they were like decently nice compared to a lot of places I've been. But yeah, the shower was clean. And I think that would be a good way to start your hike if you're trying to save money and not like stay at the lodge, is it just get dropped off down here by the visitor center, get your picture at the arch, get logged in. You can even like hike up to the waterfall if you want, and then like take your shower, stay at there's a shelter down here, and then the next day start your 8-mile hike up to Springer Mountain. I think is it 8.5 miles or 8.8 or something like that. But anyway, I think that would be a really cool way to do it if you're trying to save money. You can always, or you can also go up to the lodge and like get breakfast. So you can save your money and use it on a big breakfast. Okay, I am getting super hot. I don't know why I have this on. I just wanted to be cozy. I'm gonna go park and then I'm going to load up my bag and start this hike.
You chase me down